When people think of Las Vegas, they think gaming, sports, or entertainment. But those of us who live here know there's more to our city than meets the eye. Today, businesses across every industry call Southern Nevada home, and Fortune 500 companies convene here to do business. They are drawn by opportunity, innovation, and a rapidly growing talent base. UNLV sits at the center of that talent pipeline. More than 4,700 undergraduate and graduate students are enrolled in Lee Business School, making it the university's largest academic unit and one of its fastest growing. These students aren't just learning how to succeed in business, they're learning how to lead it. But to meet this moment, we must invest in a future that matches their ambition. Built for a different era, the current business school building can no longer keep pace. And with continued enrollment growth, the need for something worthy has become more urgent. Now, UNLV is building a new home for Lee Business School, a place designed for how business is learned today and how it will be led tomorrow.
So the way I see it, this building is going to sort of serve us on 5 different levels with these 5 pillars. There's community, there's scholarship and knowledge, there's advancement and growth, there's technology and artificial intelligence, and there's convergence. And these 5 pillars serve all of our stakeholders. Those include students, faculty, staff, engagement partners, and corporate partnerships. So it's all of those different stakeholders are affected by these 5 pillars.
There will be specialized research labs with advanced technology woven into every classroom, preparing students for fields like data analytics and cybersecurity. You'll find spaces designed for connections to ensure students and faculty don't just meet in class. And public-facing spaces will bring industry to campus, creating new opportunities for mentorship, workforce partnerships, and real-world experience. Placing the new building at the front door of our Maryland Parkway campus is strategic. It sends a clear message to our partners that the future of business is built together.
We know at the business school that our responsibility lies not only to our students, our faculty, our staff, our alumni within our college, but also to the community outside. And we know that a lot of what makes us work is how we feed the community. Whether it's with knowledge, whether it's with students, in whatever way we can provide to the community, ultimately that's what our value is. And so for us, that's our core, that's what drives us, that's what we worry about, that's what we think about every day, is how do we help our community? How do we uplift our community?
We believe there is no better classroom or lab for business than Las Vegas, a global crossroads where ideas become innovations. And there is no better place to prepare the next generation of business leaders than right here at UNLV. Together, we're building more than a facility. We're building the future of business.